Hey, look. I got these socks. These are Sonic the Hedgehog, Cash Little Crew, fits shoe size. It's made in China. It's 8 to 12 years old. 16 per, I don't know. Casual Crew, Sonic, Tails, Sonic, Knuckles, Sonic. All of these really looks cool. It's ages 14 plus, which I don't know why they said. I don't know why they said it for 8 to 12. Oh yeah, I think. Okay, never mind. It's a size. I'm sorry. The Sonic the Hedgehog 6 Prey Cross Crew Classic. This video is based on Angry Sonic, so I'm gonna unboxing. All of these socks are right here. Alright, subscribing to the channel, please, because I have 8 subscribers currently, as I know. Bye.